Look at this place. Looks pretty nice. Look at all these cute things in here. Okay, but clearly we've been spending some time hanging out, but I still have lots of work to do. And today we are going to do our backsplash. The backsplash is gonna be these black tiles, black grout. It's going right there. And right now I need something to adhere it to. I'll go show you what I got. So that goes right there, and I've got to screw it to this rib, pocket hole it into this, which is not great, but it is what it is, and then do the same thing over here with some ribs.
It's US. Oh my God. Why should go do what y'all? See?
Precarious, to say the least.
She's saying, you see? You see?
Yeah, thanks, Nova. It's only me.
Good job, Daddy.
So, Nova, what we're doing is we're screwing this into the wall with pocket screws. Isn't that great?
It's a glass. It's white. It's water.
Alright, so I gotta do that over there. By the way, guys, this is called a pocket hole jig. It's made by a company called Craig. It's the only thing I use for anything bus building. You don't need the clamp, in my opinion. You don't need the big kit, but you do need this. There's a link to this below. So if you're building a bus, you're getting started in your woodworking, buy this. You're gonna need it. Of course, if you buy from the link below, you'll be supporting our channel. Thank you. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I'm holding this on softwood. This is pine. If you're gonna be doing this on hardwood, yeah, you need the clamp, so definitely. Hey guys, we're back. Say hi, Nova. Last night I went to Lowe's and I was determined to just find a solution for mounting the tile that was there. Some Airstream blogs that we found use just PL Premium. They stuck their tiles straight to the aluminum walls with the PL Premium. I guess this has enough early stick to hold something vertical in place. I don't know. Considering this. Also, we found this muscle-bound adhesive mat for 25 bucks. This covers all the area that we need. Like this, they say this is good. This is fine for RVs on the website that creates this, but who knows? I think we're gonna try this actually. We also have this this flooring adhesive that was recommended to us by a guy at Lowe's for whatever that's worth. So I think we're gonna try the mat.
I like the mat.
Okay. All right. So Val is cleaning our tiles, making sure there's no residue on the back of them. Nova is dancing with...
She's rocking the vacuum connectors.
Oh, that's so sweet, Nova. And I am going to cut this with my miter saw to exactly the right width. Tiles. The only thing I really have have for this is my angle grinder with a carbide tip blade, and I do have a vice grip, but this is one of my dirty little secrets. I have a shed full of junk and a sweet motorcycle that I don't even use, but I should. So I gotta get this motorcycle out so I can get to that vice grip. So I'll describe that as not great, but not too bad either. I think maybe I can make it work.
Check out how those two look. See if it's what you like.
Yeah, it looks great. Perfect.
This one has a little bug on it. Oh no, it's a caterpillar.
What?
Oh no, it's not.
Alright, so at this point the backsplash is tiled. I really don't think that anything's gonna crack because it's just not like it's not a hard thing. It's not something that became hard, was soft. Sounds a little weird. I gotta put this project on pause now because I don't have any flexible grout. I think the most important thing is getting a flexible grout to stick this all together with. So I'll be getting that, and then I will be topping this with a shelf. It's gonna come out about 3 inches total. Chewies? Alright, so I've been doing some work on the backsplash. I put this piece up, turned out okay. And now I've cut, I wanted to do this with 3/4, but I actually don't have any more 3/4 inch plywood. And then I cut this slot into this piece of 1/2 inch right on here, just like this. Provide just a little bit of a ledge shelf thing. Okay, so we got this drying. So the next thing, I'm gonna put 2 pieces of 3/4 right here, and this will be done. And I gotta do it over here. This is tedious stuff that I don't feel like doing. I feel like doing electrical work. What do we have here? Is that all for you, Nova?
Ew.
Oh boy.
I don't feel nothing.
Alright, so I'm making this shelf now. The way I'm making this is kind of cumbersome. I wish I had like a dado blade for this table saw, but I don't. So I'll show you how I'm gonna do this. So first I set this blade to the height that I want to clear out. That's 1 5/8 inches. And now I'm gonna be cutting out like 1/8 of an inch at a time. And my goal is to get it about 1/4 deep, so I'm only doing 2 cuts.
Come hold me steady. Nightingales don't live around here. Nothing. I don't feel nothing. Nothing at all. I don't feel nothing. Say nothing.
Alright, so the windows are trimmed out, ledge is created, and oddly enough, UPS just showed up with the grout that I need to grout the backsplash. What I have here is grout made by Ardex. This stuff is flexible, sanded. It's hopefully good stuff for this application. I did buy it on Amazon, so there is an affiliate link below. And let's get to this. I think I need this bowl for my grout. It's time to clean up this spider killing science experiment that I created like 3 months ago.
I don't hear nothing. Don't tell me what to believe. Ain't nothing. I don't feel nothing. I don't feel nothing at all. Come home.
Okay, Okay, so I've scraped off as much of the residual grout as I could with my grout float, and now the trick to the next step is to have a ton of clean water. I'm gonna go fill a 5-gallon bucket with cold clean water and then probably refill it once after we're like halfway through.
Don't tell me, feel nothing. Don't tell me, hear
The trick to this is that you really only want to make one pass before cleaning. Well guys, I'm still at it. This is pretty tedious, but this should be the very last step, and that's basically taking off this haze by lightly rubbing with cloth. So this side I still have to let dry for like 20 more minutes, and then I'm gonna come back with the cloth and finish that up. The kitchen aesthetics is done. That's fantastic. And so yeah, I'm gonna sign off now. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.